Look at that beautiful, glistening, greasy chicken.
Hello everybody. Here's round 2, parasol it on. So I mentioned earlier in another video in the tour of San Isidro that we wanted to check out McDonald's in Costa Rica. So here we are. I want to show you guys what McDonald's in Costa Rica is all about. As I said, like, I don't think there's a huge difference in regards to like the food and stuff like that. Like, it's not like going to Switzerland or Japan or something like that where they have like oh so incredible food. They do have a drive-through. And yeah, like I said, I don't think they have anything too special, but let's turn this around and check it out. Here we are entering McDonald's. This is like a cafe. So they do like drinks here. They do like drinks, desserts, McFlurries, which they have here.
Well, it certainly smells like McDonald's.
Did you want to order from the machine or from here?
Oh, from here.
So they have a Big Mac, 2 hamburgers. Oh, these are the combos. 2 hamburgers with queso, quarter pounder, Magnifica. The Magnifica.
Oh.
Triple con bacon, pollo bacon, premium bacon, pollo CBO. That's chicken bacon onion, I believe, or cheddar. Pollo classic. Pollo's McCrispy. I heard that one's pretty good. I saw on the website that they had chicken, but I'm not seeing it. Oh look, the Ongo's Deluxe in the clubhouse. Double fillet of fish. They have fried chicken at McDonald's here. I think I will order 1 piece just to taste it. 1 piece of chicken. Okay, so this is surprisingly cheap. We got 1 Magnifica combo and 1 Big Mac combo, 1 quarter pounder, and a piece of chicken. And it was only 10,500 colones, which is like less than 20 bucks, so it's fine. We got it.
I got it.
Let's go. We got it. Alright. Sadly enough, we're gonna eat this in the car. There's a lot of people in there. Doesn't seem like the cleanest environment, and we want to get home. So, alright guys, we got this McDonald's. Here's my Magnifica. Oh, lettuce falling everywhere. It's not McDonald's if there's not finely shredded lettuce falling everywhere. Alright, we got our fries all jostled about. There's the quarter pounder. Did you try? Quarter pounder, did you try? No. Let me see it. What did you see it? Okay. We have everything now. Mamá Sue has her quarter pounder, cuarto de libra.
Looks pretty much the same.
It's like a shitty hamburger. Alright, let's put this camera down and check out my Magnifica. Oh my god. I also got a piece of chicken. You guys want to see my chicken? My McDonald's chicken. There's fries everywhere in the bag. Pretty typical. Alright, there we go. Look at the nice little bag. Blurry chicken. It smells really good. Smell it.
Oh, yes.
Or hot.
It smells like the McNuggets.
That's pretty good. It's really hot. I'm gonna eat my burger first. How is it?
All right.
It's my Magnifica. There we go. Show you that. Let's open her up. And let's see the magnificence of this. Ooh, it's a little sloppy.
It's extra Magnifica.
So, oh my god, there's lettuce everywhere. So, it's kind of sad looking. It looks like it got jostled. Oh my god, lettuce everywhere. I'm afraid to take the paper off. Ah! Alright, there's your image of my Magnifica. Can you see it properly? Let's see. Tastes pretty good. Tastes like a McDonald's.
Is it Magnifica?
I think it would have been better if I got a Big Mac. Still tastes pretty good though. How's that look? Typical taste.
The quarter pounder is exactly identical.
I was looking on the website that this Magnifica is supposedly kind of similar to a Big and Tasty. I don't know, I've never heard of that one.
It almost looks like a
It just looks like a regular burger. What do you think?
It looks more like a Burger King.
Yeah, it's a little much prettier. No.
If McDonald's could be pretty.
So, not the best experience considering our first order with them. They forgot half the one burger. But
I'm enjoying mine. Really.
Look, McDonald's in Costa Rica is very uncommon. But in Capos, doesn't exist. Like, you can buy a hamburger at so many different places, but like, there's nothing like a McDonald's. Like, McDonald's is McDonald's, and that's it. Nothing can compare to it. Most people here don't actually like McDonald's very much. Like, if you'll mention it to someone in Capos, like a friend of mine or something, they'll be like, McDonald's, that's gross. But as someone who's coming from North America and is accustomed to this food, it is a nice treat.
Actually, I think that the beef actually tastes better here. Well, the French fries are better in Canada. Yeah, they're missing that crispy saltiness. Didn't you say they had some kind of a Nick Pinto for breakfast?
For the breakfast hours, they have the typical Costa Rican breakfast, which is, they call it McPinto. There's also McPinto Deluxe. But we didn't make it for breakfast, so here we are eating hamburgers. Look at that beautiful, glistening, greasy chicken. Fried chicken in Costa Rica is just so popular. It's something that they couldn't not have on the menu. Alright guys, I think I showed you enough. Susan is gagging on her burger. So I'm going to finish the video here. Thanks so much for watching, and if there's any other fast food restaurants that you want me to check out and show you guys, let me know. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!